Happiness lies in our thoughts, life in what we create. Content with what we have, living in balance. Days passes, weariness grows, searching but finding none. A year filled with disappointment, hearts must grow strong. Don't let anxious thoughts consume you, like birds taking flight. Let go of rigid thinking, life becomes peaceful. What does surrender bring to those who give up? Don't expect too much from living things, learn to let go. Even the sun has its rising and setting. Life cannot be constant, so smile and fight on. Fill yourself with hope, seek joy in every day. Then happiness will dwell within you. No need to stand at the highest point, just find joy where you stand.
Fighting for so long yet nothing is hoped. Heart sinks, powerless to move forward. Tomorrow must be better than today. Tell your heart to keep fighting, your hopes aren't far away. Hey, life's like a game with no ending. Joy and pain switching places, leaving us confused. Some days feel like being caught in crashing waves, but I'm not scared, not frightened, cause I'm a fighter. Like a small tree growing amid the storm. Fall down, rise again, never retreat. Fake it till you make it. Though today might be lonely, tomorrow will bring laughter. Let go of your worry, set your heart free. Yo.
Never give up as long as you still breathe. Don't place too much trust in others' hearts. Fight on to choose your own path, keep walking. Though problems may surround you, fall then rise again. Determined steps toward capturing your dreams. The suffering in your